It's a clash of two bhais. It's Bhai Jaan versus Bhai of the underworld. Bhai is angry and wants Bhai Jaan to kneel down. But the Khan of Bollywood galaxy refused to bow down. And the security for him and his home got beefed up. 4 police outposts were dedicated to the Tiger Khan around his Bandra residence. And then, to make it foolproof, came the bulletproofing of the apartment. No stones or a bullet can put Salman Khan in danger in Galaxy apartment.
The additional new security measure taken here is this glass panel which is being installed, said to be a bulletproof glass panel. The work is underway, almost complete. It will be a see-through glass panel. This balcony is known because many times Salman Khan used to come here and wave at his fans. Fans used to gather outside Galaxy apartment, be his birthday, be it the occasion of Eid, he used to come here. But this had stopped since the time Lawrence Bishnoi gang has been threatening Salman Khan after the Black Buck case.
Lawrence Bishnoi from behind the prison cell is watching. Gangster Lawrence Bishnoi's bad blood with Salman Khan stems from the 1998 Black Buck poaching case. Nearly 27 years later, the Tiger is cornered. But he fights back as bulletproof Bhai Jaan. A 3-time legislator and a former minister of Maharashtra was murdered in cold blood on 12th October 2024 by 3 assailants. Ajit Pawar-led NCP leader Baba Siddiqui was killed outside his MLA son's office by none other than the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. Baba Siddiqui was known for his friendship with Salman, Shah Rukh, and a host of Bollywood A-listers. Following this murder, a no-visitor diktat was issued by superstar Khan of the Galaxy apartment, while police tightened security at his home. It was a direct warning to Salman Khan. Within a week of Baba Siddiqui's murder, Mumbai police received another threat message, claiming to be from the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, warning Salman Khan to pay 5 crore rupees if he wanted to stay alive and end the enmity with Lawrence Bishnoi. This time, the message was sent to the WhatsApp number of Mumbai Traffic Police. Bhai Jaan was put in an even tighter security watch of Y+ category. Despite the threats, the Ek Tha Tiger star did not miss the shooting of Bigg Boss 18 weekend episode of that weekend. On 17th October night, he left Galaxy apartment with his security entourage of 60 trained personnel and a police escort vehicle that now travels alongside his vehicle whenever he comes out of his home. A constable trained in using all weapons also accompanies him all the time. The security team with over 60 people and the superstar reached Film City's Bigg Boss sets late at night. No outsider was allowed in the Bigg Boss compound without proper Aadhaar card verification. The show's team was also asked not to leave the set till the shoot wrapped up. He stayed in his designated chalet on the compound. The chalet is a specially designed 1-bedroom hall kitchen with spacious rooms that can host almost 50 people in one go. It has all the basic amenities from a gym and makeup room to facilities for his staff to cook his special diet food. Salman Khan also has space to conduct meetings and a bedroom area for him to rest. The chalet has been designed to match Salman's style and has his portraits along with some of his paintings. In close to 3 months since that day in October last year, not only Salman Khan, even his family members have been given police protection.
Recently concluded investigation in the Baba Siddiqui case has also said that Salman Khan was the main target, but the gang is also targeting people who are close to him, and hence we get to see that the family members of Salman Khan, when they move out, they are seen with police security cover. If you come outside Galaxy apartment, it's a very high security area. There is round the clock monitoring, police presence is there. Temporary tents have been made by the police so that they can be here, beat rain, beat any weather. And this security, you can see the vehicles are the escort vehicles of Khan and his family. On the other side, you see that there is a police presence keeping a watch on people who are visiting this area, especially those who are suspicious, so that police can act whenever possible. So these added security measures are being taken for Salman Khan's safety and security since the time he has been getting these threats from Bishnoi gang.
In April 2024, 5 rounds were shot outside Salman Khan's house, while the star was inside his apartment. Later, Lawrence Bishnoi's younger brother, Anmol Bishnoi, allegedly claimed responsibility for the attack via a Facebook post. Tiger Khan had called the attack unnerving. He said his family is troubled. The Bishnoi gang had earlier even threatened Salman with a Sidhu Moosewala-like fatal strike. Gangster Lawrence Bishnoi's bad blood with Salman stems from the 1998 Black Buck poaching case, for which Salman Khan was convicted in 2018. Later, he was granted bail in the case. The Bishnoi community holds the Black Buck in high reverence, believing it to be the reincarnation of their spiritual leader.
जब हम करेंगे तो पता लग ही जाएगा। सलमान खान का घरे में मारेंगे या जोधपुर में मारेंगे तो पता लग जाएगा इनको। अभी तो मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं, बिना मतलब कोई इन्वॉल्व कर रहे हैं।
The feud first took a violent turn in 2022 when the gang planned an attack on Salman during the shooting of the film Ready. That same year, Salman received multiple threat letters, one ominously stating that death does not require a visa. Some members of the Bishnoi community have expressed a willingness to consider forgiveness. They stress on one condition: Salman Khan must come to Bikaner and publicly apologize at the sacred samadhi of Guru Jambeshwar.
सलमान खान एक दुनिया का अपराधी है जिसने प्रकृति के सौंदर्य जीवों की हत्या की है, और एक हत्यारा होता है वो कृत्य करके बाद में उसका पश्चाताप होता है। ये मीडिया वाले कह रहे हैं माफी मांगे या वो कह रहे हैं, खुद में अपराधी के मन में ये होना चाहिए मैंने अपराध किया है, और गुरु महाराज ने कहा है अपराधी के मन में उस गलत कृत्य के लिए क्षमा की भावना हो, वो वहां से कहे भाई बिश्नोई समाज मुझे माफ करे और मैंने गलत कृत्य किया है, जीवों को मारा है, अपराध किया है, तो बिश्नोई समाज गुरु महाराज की नियम अनुसार सोच सकता है, वो समाज का मामला है।
The Bishnoi community upholds 29 sacred rules. According to the code, there is a provision for forgiveness. Rule 10 specifically addresses the concept. Salman Khan never responded to the offer till date. Lawrence Bishnoi is a member of this community and has been reportedly very unnerved by the shooting incident and the following legal battle. But he shot to fame with another daredevil shootout. In 2022, assassination of Punjabi singer and actor Sidhu Moosewala by Lawrence Bishnoi gang sent shockwaves across the country.
बिश्नोई, सलमान खान को आपने धमकी दिलवाई है? सिद्धू मूसेवाला मरवाया बिश्नोई?
Salman Khan is not the only one. Bishnoi's gang has other celeb targets on their hit list too, including Punjabi singers AP Dhillon and Gippy Grewal. Both artists have faced threats, and shots were also fired outside their homes in Canada as intimidation tactics in 2024, triggering a diplomatic row between India and Canada. These exclusive images are of the Bishnoi gang being paraded by Delhi Police Special Cell in 2021 after taking them into remand under Anti-Organized Crime Act, Makoka. Bishnoi is seen in black t-shirt, green shoes and cropped hair. Rajasthan gangster Sampat Nehra, who once did recce of actor Salman Khan's house, can also be seen in the exclusive images. The other gangsters in these images are Punjab gangster Jaggu Bhagwanpuria and Haryana's Kali Rajput and Raju Basodi. 31-year-old Lawrence Bishnoi, the son of a former cop, met Goldie Brar in 2009 during his stint at Punjab University. He was studying law when he started dabbling in student politics. He allegedly ventured into the criminal world by locking horns with rival student groups. Bishnoi served as the president of the college's student body. He was arrested over charges of arson and attempted murder and sent to a jail in Chandigarh, where he reportedly came under the influence of other imprisoned gangsters. Lawrence Bishnoi has been shuffling between prisons for more than a decade now, but has still extended his crime syndicate to the national capital and neighboring states. His gang has fought turf wars with rival gangs in Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Punjab, with deep connections of networks spread across the globe in Canada and the US. When Goldie Brar fled to Canada, Bishnoi kept running the crime empire from Tihar jail with impunity. Anybody who owed allegiance to rival gangs or stood against the Bishnoi gang was eliminated, like pop star Sidhu Moosewala. The Bishnoi gang allegedly wanted to avenge the murder of Akali leader Vicky Midhukheda in August 2021. Since Shaganpreet Singh, the manager of Moosewala, was named as the key plotter in the murder case, Moosewala came on Bishnoi gang's radar. Moosewala was also close to slain gangster Vicky Gounder, a bitter rival of the Bishnoi gang. When Shaganpreet fled to Australia, Moosewala could not escape the Bishnoi gang's fatal wrath. In September 2023, less than a day after Indian agencies named a separatist, Sukhdev Singh, on its wanted list, he was killed in a shootout in Canada's Winnipeg City. Soon the Bishnoi gang claimed responsibility, calling him a drug addict and saying he was punished for his sins. Lawrence Bishnoi is now lodged in the Sabarmati Central Prison. He was transferred there in 2023 from Delhi's Tihar jail. And this footage is proof that he enjoys all possible perks in jail too. This 19-second video came to light in 2024. Lawrence Bishnoi is seen speaking to a Pakistan-based gangster, so he clearly had access to a phone.
लॉरेंस बिश्नोई फिलहाल गुजरात की साबरमती जेल में बंद है। जांच एजेंसियों के मुताबिक बाबा सिद्दीकी की मर्डर से पहले नवरात्र में लॉरेंस बिश्नोई 9 दिन फास्ट पर था। सूत्रों के मुताबिक लॉरेंस बिश्नोई जब फास्ट पर होता है, उसका गैंग कोई बड़ी वारदात को अंजाम देता है।
With Lawrence Bishnoi still calling the shots, agencies are on high alert. And here's the gangsters' hit list that India Today accessed. Number 1 on the list is superstar Salman Khan. And that's why security at his residence has also been beefed up. Number 2 is Sidhu Moosewala's ex-manager Shagan Preet for helping a rival gang. Third on the list is Mandeep Dhaliwal, who owns Thug Life Company, again for harboring rival gang members. The fourth and the fifth targets are members of the rival gang that shot Bishnoi gang member Vicky Midhukheda. Abdul Rashid Salim Salman Khan is the Dabangg actor and film producer with a career spanning over 3 decades. The Tiger of Bollywood has appeared in more than 100 films, many of which have achieved record-breaking box office success. He is a television presenter and an entrepreneur who supports humanitarian causes through his charity, the Being Human Foundation. Salman Khan has been ranked by Forbes among the world's highest paid celebrities in both 2015 and 2018, making him the highest ranked Indian celebrity in 2018. Having a prolific career as a Bollywood superstar, Salman has been able to command high fees for his movies and television appearances. According to data by wealthygorilla.com, an estimated net worth of Bhaijan is $260 million. Threat to him is a direct threat to the entire industry and a challenge to the security of the country's financial capital, Mumbai. On his birthday and Eid, every year, Bhaijan comes out in the gallery of his home in Galaxy Apartment to greet his fans. But this greeting in the coming Eid would have a bulletproof glass cover.
These glasses are safest because they are made up of multiple layer of polycarbonate and acrylics and different layers, and it can protect VIP very well. And this type of glasses are uses many places where VIPs are staying, in their balconies, in their cars, and multiple places.
So we all have seen the glasses from a distance or on video. So if you look at that glass prima facie, what is the quality of it? Is there an increase in number of people installing such bulletproof and ballistic proof glasses in their cars, balconies, window, offices?
Yes, so many people, so many VIPs are using this type of glasses in their balconies, in their cars, in their offices, and different places. But as Salman is one of the biggest celebrity in our country, so everyone now knows it by your news.
Born on December 27, 1965, to the renowned scriptwriter Salim Khan, Salman Khan hit the superstar stature with Suraj Barjatia's romantic drama Maine Pyar Kiya in 1989. Since then, he has been the bhai who ruled box office with his films ranging from comedy, action and romantic drama. The icon of Bollywood star success had his fair share of controversy as well. He was arrested in 2002 hit-and-run case for killing and injuring pavement dwellers. More than a decade later, he was acquitted of all charges by the court for lack of evidence. His controversial relationship and breakup with Bollywood diva Aishwarya Rai also came to light around the time when the hit-and-run case happened in 2003. But after many twists and turns, there was no proof to pinpoint him as the abusive partner in the case. But the Black Buck hunting case of 1998, despite conviction and subsequent release on bail, continues to haunt Bhaijan till date. Salman Khan is preparing for his next release, Sikandar, on Eid this year. After his cameo appearances in Singham Again and Baby John, Sikandar will be his first release since Tiger 3 in 2023. The emerging dawn of the underworld, Lawrence Bishnoi, needs a bigger kill to lock his claim to the throne. And Salman Khan is the perfect hunt in this scheme. So controversy's favorite child of Galaxy Apartment is now armed with bulletproof apparatus. Because with Bhaijan lies millions of investments in terms of money, hope and adulation, as does the dark shadow of fame and stardom.